everyone, my name is Jake and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you around our new flat. So we're just about to move in, so it's basically bare, but I wanted to show you the place. So let's start. Come. So this is the stairway, not to heaven, but to our flat. So this is the landing. We have our shower here, we place our shoes, and you've got a nice mirror here just before you go for work. You can fix your hair and stuff like that. We've got the fridge. So the first room on the left is our kitchen. Okay, so it's a usual British, kitchen setup. So usually in a normal UK flat, you would have the washing machine inside the kitchen. So that's part of the white goods. So you also have your kettle, and this is your kitchen sink, and we have the oven and the cooker, and we've got this nice magnetic, what do you call that one? Magnetic rod where you put the knife. Yeah, the space is quite small, so there's only a small table, but maybe we can fit in like a bigger table here, but we'll see when we move in. Okay, so let's move on to the next room. So this is the lounge. Don't mind the upturned couch because they will be removed because they're broken. And it's in the table as well, so as you can see it's broken, but that will be removed, and this will be a nice, lovely, cozy area. Okay, so you got the couch, and yeah, this is our view. We've got a street view, so that is the lounge. Now it's time to go upstairs. Come. Okay. No, it's actually, we don't need to go upstairs yet. There's one more room in this level. So it's like you're going into a theater. Look, you're gonna go down the steps. And this is one of the rooms. Yeah, we're not gonna go inside too much because this is not my room. Just showing you. This is one of the rooms. Okay. And now it is really time to go upstairs. So we'll go another flight of stairs. And just before we reach level 3, we do have a secret door here that leads you to ta-da! Our open space outside. Okay, I know it looks messy now, but once we fix this, this is gonna be our party area. Okay? Okay, let's go. Okay. There it is. So this will be thrown away. Okay, so this is room number 2, and this is going to be my room. Come. Have a look. So it's quite big. So that means I am also paying the biggest rent. So this is my space. I've got 2 windows where I can see the street. I like watching the street, to see people walking around, see lots of things going on. So it keeps me from getting lonely, especially during winter. So this looks very bare, but I'll do a room tour when we finish moving, and you will see how we sort out the arrangement and all the sides and effects of the room. So I've got 2 big wardrobes where I put my clothes, and later on I'll be bringing my bedside tables and all that. But we'll see on my next. Okay, so that's room number 2. Next is our bathroom slash toilet. So as you come in, you can see the heater slash towel rack where you can dry the towel. You've got the sink. It's pretty common for flats in UK to have a very small toilet, so don't even be surprised by that. And the common setting is that they have a bathtub, but also have a shower. Okay, smaller flats you'd have just a standing shower, but the normal setup you'd have the bath with a shower. And yeah, we have to put some curtains when we move in. But yeah, that's our toilet. And last one, this is room number 3. This is the smallest room, but fair enough, it's a fair good space in comparison to other flats. So it's the same setup. You still have 2 big wardrobes. You've got the lamp there and sort of a bookshelf where you can put plants there, and you still got a window. So it's very important to have a good window, because especially during winter it can get very, very dark, and you know, you can get sad, depressed, feel isolated. So it's very important that you look for a room with a nice window and hopefully a nice view as well. So this is it. So you can see from here, if we're having a party outside, whoever is in this room will be able to see the people having the party. So you can see the view there. So that's our garden area. And that's it. That is the empty house tour for our new flat here in London. If you like this video, don't forget to click that like button and share this to your friends. If you haven't subscribed to me yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can see more of my videos about life here in the UK as an overseas nurse. Also, keep your notification bell on so that as soon as my video is released, you will be able to see it first. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this tour. Please comment down below for anything you'd like me to do a video of. Please feel free to say anything down in the comments section. Alright, that's it, and take care everyone. Bye bye.